दूं फिर? आप आर्डर लगाओ। चलो ठीक है, चलो भाई पेट्रोल कर दो 100 रुपए तोला। परफ्यूम के रेट पे ले आऊंगा, परफ्यूम के रेट पे। अच्छा ठीक है सर। सर आपको मंजूर है ना? मेरा मसला तो खराब नहीं होगा ना? हैं? तो मैं खुला फिरूं फिर? मैं सर खुला फिरूं? देख लो, बगैर पायलट के जहाज तो नहीं आ जाएंगे क्या? उन जहाजों का नाम है पता नहीं, डराउन पता नहीं क्या। अच्छा अच्छा, बड़ी मेहरबानी, बड़ी मेहरबानी, बड़ी मेहरबानी। अल्लाह सर कुछ भिजवा दें, बिजली के प्लांट लगवाने अपने घर में। बड़ी मेहरबानी सर, बड़ी मेहरबानी, शुक्रिया शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सर, थैंक। अब किसी का बाप मेरी हुकूमत नहीं हिला सकता। मान गया अमेरिका।
Enjoys a close strategic relationship with China, demonstrated by our commitment towards Pakistan-China Economic Corridor or CPEC. Equally, we share a long history of excellent and strategic relationship with the United States, which remains our largest export market. We seek to broaden and expand our ties with both countries without impacting our relations with the other. Similarly, European Union, United Kingdom, Gulf, Southeast Asia and Japan are also vital for our national development and progress. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is deeply concerned about the conflict in Ukraine. With Ukraine, we enjoy excellent defense and economic relationships since its independence. With Russia, we had cold relations for a long time due to numerous reasons. However, recently there have been some positive development in this regard. Sadly, the Russian invasion against Ukraine is very unfortunate, as thousands of people have been killed, millions made refugees, and half of Ukraine destroyed. This is a huge tragedy which must be stopped immediately. Furthermore, despite legitimate security concerns of Russia, its aggression against a smaller country cannot be condoned. Pakistan has consistently called for an immediate ceasefire and cessation of hostilities. We support immediate dialogue between all sides to find a lasting solution to the conflict. Pakistan has also dispatched humanitarian assistance to Ukraine through special flights of Pakistan Air Force and will continue to do so.